Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how I try to do elbow kickover. So you can try it if you don't know. Maybe you can learn something new. Let's Today it's my first time to do kickover, so I tried to do this 5 times. Finally I get it. So guys, I'm so happy. I can tell you, don't never give up, try your best. Yeah, it will be possible. So after I did the stretch all over my body, later I did the split. So I wish you would I can tell you, if you like my video, you can do like, subscribe. Yeah, to get my videos, I will show you my everyday routines, the behind the scenes, and we will continue to learn together. Okay, thank you guys.